Just moments ago, the Chinese government officials got off a plane that landed here in San Francisco. We want the first thing Xi Jinping and all of those Chinese CCP officials to see are Tibetan people, Uyghur people, Hong Kongers, Chinese dissidents. We want them to see our Tibetan flags, our East Turkestan flags. They're gonna hear us say, free Tibet, free Hong Kong, free East Turkestan, free China.
We want freedom! To be welcome in this country of freedom. You hear that? That is the voice of what a colonizer sounds like. That is the voice of privilege. This is the voice. If we have to face this in America, think about how our people are living in Tibet, in East Turkestan, or in Hong Kong. They do not have that freedom. But they do this in America. We want to tell them that enough is enough. Enough is enough. Stop the genocide in Uyghurs! Stop the genocide in East Turkestan! Stop the genocide in East Turkestan! Stop the genocide in Tibet! Stop the genocide in Tibet! Free Tibet! Free Tibet! Free Tibet! Free Tibet! Free Hong Kong!
Do you still refer to President Xi as a dictator? This is a term that you used earlier this year.
Well, look, he is. I mean, he's a dictator in the sense that he is a guy who runs a country that is a communist country that is based on a form of government totally different than ours.
Xi Jinping will be meeting with America. We're outside the Hyatt Regency. Inside, Xi Jinping will be meeting with America's top CEOs to strike deals to heighten China's economy. One of our SFP activists is flying the Tibetan flag from the flagpole above the hotel where Xi Jinping will be. We're here to tell him that Tibet will always fight, Tibet will always resist.
Xi Jinping 在说。Free Tibet! Free 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 Tibet! Siba! 박박 가자 먹어도! Free Tibet! Free Tibet! Free Tibet! The reception that a dictator receives in this country! How embarrassing! So proud of you, Salah.
Thanks everyone for coming out and supporting on social media and everywhere. None of this work would be possible without you all. Pagelo!
Pagelo! The future generation is strong, unbeatable. This is what Xi has to deal with. We want freedom! Get out of here!
Bro, watch out! Why are you pushing? Ayo, why are you pushing, bro? Why are you pushing? Why are you pushing? Why are you pushing? Ayo!
Why are you pushing? Hey! I almost died because of you! I almost died! I almost died because of you guys! I almost died! There's 4 of us! We almost died because of you! We died! Look at my hand, bro! Look at my hand!